Over here, everything's starting up, man. That's Margaritaville Dream Catamaran. So I know what they're having a little party, or they're going out on the sea. Margaritaville seems to be open, so that's perfect. I'm going to see if I can cross the street. Great brand fashion for men and ladies. Bags, shoes, clothing, accessories. Epicon. Must be 18 years or older. No weapons allowed. Doctor's recommendation required and available inside. So that's for Epicon. And you have Blue Seas hair, gifts and souvenirs. Perfect. All right. And that little restaurant spot there. So that's Margaritaville across the street. And this is called the Shops at Harbor. Okay. The entrance. And then right here we have Coral Cliff. So across the street we have Margaritaville. And in the night it's a restaurant and bar. In the night they have clubbing, like, yeah. And then across the street from Margaritaville we have Coral Cliff. Is like a restaurant and gaming lounge. Alright. So we have Blue Beat and Marguerite's by the Sea restaurants again across the street. And then here comes the gift shops, a lot of gift shops. We're gonna come up on a lot of gift shops now. But this is the entrance to Coral Cliff. Ah. Okay, thanks. Alrighty, so here we have again gift shops. Habanos cigar shop, Island Strains herbals. That seems to be another one of those weed shops. So that's across the street there. And I love the buildings down here. Very quaint. Quaint is what I like to call it. This seems to be an abandoned building, and if you want you can purchase this building for me. I have some plans for it. Anyhow. So we're coming up on more gift shops, more duty-free shops here. I must say that the hip strip look, this is the liveliest I've seen it in a while. Another gift shop. Hello. How are you, sister?
I'm okay, sister.
All right. Alright, so this is like, oh, what is this? This is another restaurant? Yeah. Hunger's Point Barbecue Roti. Here's what they offer. Very good. Nice. So these gift shops here are jewelry, duty-free jewelry shops. Another shop here. This is what? Tropical Treasures. Banana Bay gift shop. Hello. No, just doing a video. Your shop? Your shop? You want me to show it on the video? What you're offering in there? Alright, thanks. Which one? The Tropical Treasures? Here? Right here? Alright, thanks. Alright, so this is what's it called?
Silver and Craft.
Huh?
Silver and Craft.
Silver and Craft?
Yes.
Alright, Silver and Craft gift shop. Hello. Let's see what they have to offer. So, lots of souvenirs for you. Yeah, sure. Hats, dresses, beach. Oh, this nice. I like this. I like this. Let me see if it pin up. Most of the time when you see them on, but this look like it fit the mannequin, which means it could fit me because I'm tiny. Well, I'm not tiny anymore. I've gained some weight, but this look nice. I like the dress here. Yeah, anyways, so dresses, hats. Hello.
Hello.
I was told that I could enter and video record. Any of these Jamaican men?
These ones.
Up there.
Right.
Over this side? Oh, okay. So, some, wanna call them here? Mass? Wanna call them?
Mass, yeah, that's
Mass?
mass.
Oh, okay. And they have bigger ones?
Yeah, bigger ones,
And earrings. So a lot of jewelry as well.
There's what of coconut and things and
All right, thank you. Okay.
don't fall.
I won't. All right, we're going back on the road now, guys. Let me put up my umbrella. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. You? Nah, how business?
Bad.
Nobody there buy nothing.
No.
I see more people on the road though, so that's good. So hopefully it will pick up. More tourists, I see, than usual. Alright, good luck.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Okay, so back on the road now. Cross here, so this says courtesy rent a car and auto imports. I don't see an entrance, but the entrance there, I don't know. Hello. I'll put up a mask to hide from the camera, not sure. Alright, this is House of Cigars. Hello. House of Cigars. Gifts Palace. Gift shop. Right here, so. Okay. No, I'm doing a video for YouTube showing them the different shops on the hip strip. I like the little crochet piece there behind you. How much for something like that? The full suit.
This one, you get $80 here.
Okay, like so that's 80 US for something like that. For the cover up.
Everything.
Alright. It's another gift shop here. So quite a few gift shops on the strip. So you have a number of places where you can get your souvenirs, your beachwear. Hello. How are you? Tired? Alright. This is a supermarket on the hip strip. Convenience store. And then across the street we have Casablanca Hotel. Casablanca Hotel. This is like beach house. I can't walk here, so I'm not getting that done, though, Father. See? Some more. And we can put on that umbrella, yeah. Priceless gift shop across the street. Another one called Reggae World. Hello, how are you? You don't mind if I show you shop? Reggae World. Alright. Huh? I'm walking out the hip strip, showing the different shops, gift shops on the hip strip to put on YouTube. Huh? I can come inside? Alright, let me put on my mask. Alright, so let's look at the name again. Reggae World. And I have been invited in, so we're gonna take a look. Bags. You can point out some of the Jamaican made items? Sure, thanks.
Right here.
Hi.
Check out these coconut bags. They are handmade, locally made by Jamaican people.
Okay, perfect. Jamaican made items here.
You can look at those masks and stuff like that. They are locally made by Jamaican people.
What is this? What is this supposed to be?
It's a bottle opener.
It's a bottle opener?
Yeah, man, you can
so
see
why
that.
them put the bottle opener in that shape, Father?
These people mentality. I mean, they look at
Is that Jamaican made?
Yes, it is.
Oh Lord. Alright.
And then you can look at these little knickknacks like this poster set made out of bamboo.
Bamboo?
Yeah, man. You know, bamboo is the national wood of Jamaica.
Mm.
Then
Nice.
all these are made out of coconut.
It feels nice. See? This is made in Jamaica as
Yeah,
well,
man.
though?
Yeah, man.
Posters?
Yeah. And then you have all these
Knickknacks. Alright.
and then you have right here the banana leaf photo albums made out of banana leaf.
Oh, nice! Look at these photo albums.
Yeah,
You can hold it up for me?
And they're made out of banana leaf.
Made out of banana leaves. Cool. This is made in Jamaica too?
Yeah,
Yes.
And they
I
come-
love it. How much is it for something like this?
They come in different sizes. So
Oh,
it depends
okay.
on the size what you like.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
size does matter.
Nice. I like it. Oh gosh. I love these. I love these. See that, guys? Creative.
And then you have these are wind chimes. These are made out of bamboo as well.
Bamboo as well for these? Okay. Nice.
And you can see your Jamaican rum right here, and some of those are vases and stuff. They are made out of mango wood.
Mango wood?
Yeah, man.
Interesting. Why have I never heard of that before? Jamaica as well? Jamaican made as well?
Man. Yeah, man.
Mango wood, guys. Okay, so is that a like strong wood?
Yeah, man.
It lasts?
Yeah, you can bust somebody head on it.
Okay. Alright. Thank you. What's your name?
Kish.
Thanks, Kish. I'm Tina.
Don't go weird. show come make a shop.
Okay.
Which channel should I find one?
You have a channel as well?
I don't have it. I'm looking
Yeah, man, I'm gonna put it up for you.
Which channel I should go for?
It's Artsy Island Girl.
Come again?
Artsy Island Girl, Jamaica. You want to have a pen? Or write it down for
I'll
you?
have my mobile. Or just...
Alright. Time hottie man.
No,
See it there? Artsy Island
Alright,
Girl.
so I'm gonna go just subscribe.
Yeah. Subscribe.
Alright.
Alright?
And press the bell icon.
That's right.
Listen now.
I like you. That's right.
So make sure you promote me shop.
I definitely.
Well, look around the entire shop looking at the smoking pipes.
Gotcha. Yeah, smoking pipes too.
Yeah, man. And some made out of natural wood, which is locally made by Jamaican people.
Nice. Kish. Go on here. No, what? Kish? Kish, you're not letting me go?
No. By now. I mean a cigar, which is Jamaican cigar. These are the hand-rolled Jamaican cigar.
Uh-huh.
Dipped in Hennessy Pure White.
Interesting hat too. Kish, I'll see you on YouTube. You must comment.
Okay, definitely. Is this in the shop?
You will see the shop, of course. I put in every shop that I go into. You're the second one that I enter, so it's not a lot of them. Alright, thank you. Alright. So this is Harley Davidson, Jamaica. And them look like them closed. Yeah, they're closed. What is? Caribbean House Hotel, Montego Bay. I don't know. Hello, ladies. And this is a dollar store gift shop across the street, and then beside them we have the Scotiabank ABM. I think that ABM you can get US dollars from it. Yeah. Post office. Okay. And you know, I can never remember what this. Hello. Afternoon. What is name again? What hotel name? You remember? Montego Bay Club. It's an apartment now, right? It's an apartment. Alright. Yeah. So this here is Montego Bay Club, this high building. I need to cross the road to see it clearly. Let me see if I'll be able to cross. So I can give you a better view of it if they'll allow me to. Yeah, so this is it. All right. So, yeah, it's there. It says it. Montego Bay Club Condominium. Yeah. And then we have the Deja Hotel. And now we're coming up on Doctor's Cave Beach and Starbucks. Hello. You like me? Oh, sorry. Alright, so that's the Deja Hotel, and right here we have Doctor's Cave Bathing Club. Alright. And then this is Starbucks. Coffee. Alright, so on the Deja Hotel, attached to it, there are some gift shops. Hello, sir. Gift shops. What I'm saying here, so massages. They have somewhere on it too, on that building, where you can get massages, facials, waxing, body wraps, body scrub, nail care. 627-5979. And then you have a sauna duty-free shop attached as well. So that's lovely. And then we're coming up on Spanish Court Hotel. S Hotel. Big S. See it? Ah, okay, good. And I think this is another side of Deja. Yeah. And some more gift shops. And then we have Doctor's Cave Beach Hotel. So we just passed the Doctor's Cave Beach Club just before Starbucks. Thursday, all this talking. And then the Grotto Bar. And then the Grotto Bar beside it. And then this is Spanish Court Hotel. In Doctor's Cave Beach right now, my phone I tell me say battery full. Anyway, so see, entrance. Yeah. You want me to put in a video? Where you gonna say hi?
Hi, what's up to the world? Simpson Tours and Taxi. Whenever you in Jamaica, check me out.
That's right.
All right,
what's
no
your
problem.
number? Give me my number.
466-0967.
All right.
Facebook and IG. Check me out.
All right. All right. So that's Doctor's Cave, and then here, this is Spanish Court Hotel. Spanish Court Hotel. Right? We're almost finished. We're almost there. Alright. And then I don't know what's over there. It's closed. I don't know what used to be there. And right here, so shopping plaza, same plaza that has Usain Bolt tracks and records. See the sign there. There's some souvenir shops on the plaza. You want to walk out? I'm gonna do a quick run through. Not a lot. People always taking pictures by that statue there. I don't know, I think they're setting this up for an ice cream shop, or an ice cream shop used to be there. Yeah. Alright, so as you can see, there are a number of souvenir shops on the property. Yeah. Wait there. Then take up all I statue them. There used to be some statues right here. One of my earlier videos, one of the first hip strip videos that I did, they had statues all along here. What happened to the statue them? Where they take them up for? Like statue of Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey and all of them people there. Why didn't take up a statue of them? I love that. Like a little heritage site. Anyways, so this is Usain Bolt tracks and records. See the sign there? That's the door to go up to it. And over there are some more, what that, Android Market and another gift shop. That's the restaurant up there. All right. This looks like it's going to be a chocolate shop, ice cream shop. Perfect. All right. So this is another hotel. I don't remember what the hotel is called. I put the name at the bottom of the screen that they're doing some upgrades to. It has been out of commission for many years, so nice to know that they're refurbishing it. They're fixing it up. Of course, you see supermarket over there and some more souvenir shops across the road. So there are quite a few small supermarkets on the hip strip. Little tourist area, Montego Bay tourist area. So that's nice. Another gift shop beside a supermarket. And then this is the Cameron Cornwall Beach Resort, another hotel on the hip strip. And I did a video about this cemetery right here, this old cholera cemetery, and if you haven't seen that video, you need to check it out. I delve a bit into its history, so you can have a look at that video. I will link it at the top of the screen or in the description box below. All right, so there, better look at the hotel that they're fixing up. Right? There's a check cashing area over there and another restaurant. Okay. So there are two cemeteries side by side apparently. This one here, it's an old cholera cemetery. So persons who died from the cholera epidemic, I don't remember the year right now, were buried here. All right, so quite a few supermarkets, man. See another supermarket here as well, and I see an NCB ABM. So a couple of ABMs along the hip strip for you, so that's perfect. And I'm sure that they give US, what a place in him, Bloggers Sports Bar, Cafe and Lounge, but it looks closed. All right. Cigar World over there, so. The Garden and Boutique Hotel. What hotel did I say? The Garden and Boutique Hotel, Restaurant and Bar. Butterfly Salon. So this little brown section here, that's what's over there. All right. Okay. And I can't see it though. There's a restaurant all the way, a bar, restaurant and bar all the way at the back of the compound. Dunway. I think I got the name, let me say Dunway. The sign telling you that the airport, giving you directions to the airport. And we're coming up on the end of Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Oh, parking lot, that for the Cameron. This is another Decameron hotel. So you see them two Decameron hotels basically side by side. This is another one. I don't know what the difference is. All inclusive hotel. Hello. And resorts. Huh? Yes, sir. Huh? Huh? We can't hear you. No. You want the video, yeah? All right. So this is the Decameron Montego Bay Beach Resort. See that? All right. Now the hotel on the hip strip. Wait, the one can never too bad. You know, so the one never too bad. A gift shop. Oh. Wait, I'm come at the hotel already, not sure. Right. So this is the end of Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Right there. To the right of us, that turn there. Godfrey Dyer Boulevard. And then straight ahead is Kent Avenue, and it takes you to Dead Ends. I did a video, like, look how much time should a video me tell you. So I did a video because I've done so many videos, guys. All right, so I did a video about Dead End, where I walk out Dead End. So I will link that video as well in the description box, and at the top of the screen, top right hand corner, I'll probably link it there as well if I have enough space to do another link, because we're only given 5 links in the video. So that is it. If you're going to the airport, you turn on this Godfrey Dyer Boulevard to go to the airport. As much as it never take too long to walk out the area, my foot hurt me still. So I am going to get back in town now. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Okay, thank you very much for watching, my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.